Thank you so much. Thanks everyone for the warm welcome. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be part of NBC. You guys are doing great work. I always believe developing a business is a community job. आप community बनाते हो तो फिर साथ में काम करके grow कर सकते हैं. तो आप लोग तो जानते होंगे कि there are several such communities that are being created now in India, right? So there's Saturday Club, there's BNI, there's NBC and several more. इनका एक प्रॉमिस रहता है नॉर्मली. ऑल ऑफ दीज क्लब्स हैव वन प्रॉमिस कि आप इस फोरम में आओगे तो आप इंटरेक्ट करोगे सब लोगों से. सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ referrals or as we say in NBC contacts. I just realized that term. Otherwise I would have said contacts to sales workshop. So जहाँ पे भी referral है, you please read it as contacts. That's my request. तो हमको ये बताते हैं ना कि यहाँ आ जाओ आपको इतना contacts मिलेगा. आज अरुण सर ने 21 contacts दिया था. So there's a bunch of contacts that come. लेकिन उस contact को to convert it into sale ये तो हमारे हाथ में. And there are a lot of other factors also that come into play if that contact has to get converted to sale. तो जब ये सारे forums हमको ये बोलते हैं कि हम आपको contacts देंगे, contacts का करना क्या है? I think that's important to know, right? So if we talk about that today, is it a good use of your time?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. So that's my topic. How do we convert a contact into a sale? Right? So that's the topic. So before we start, I mean, typically बोलते हैं बायोलॉजी में कि बॉडी है 68 ऑर्गन्स. तो मेरा कहना है 68 नाही 69 आहे म्हणजे this is also one of the organs in our body, right? So what I want you to do is please, if it's already silent, off, whatever, that's fine. Please turn it down because है ना ये silent रख के भी लोगों का WhatsApp चालू रहता है. So please turn it down. Give me this 45 minutes. It may make a big difference in your life. That is all I'll say. So if we can just focus on that, do take notes and of course, question and answer not at the end. Whenever you have a question, please raise your hand.
Yeah.
Okay? We'll try and address it right then and there. So I'm keeping my phone here. Right, let's go straight. So what we will cover today. First things first, why does a customer buy? Or rather, you'll see not why, when? What is that exact point in time जेव्हा कस्टमरला वाटतो की अच्छा हे प्राइस परफेक्ट आहे माझ्यासाठी आणि मी हे प्रोडक्ट किंवा सर्व्हिस घेणार. Right? So we understand that. When does a customer buy? We look at that. What does a customer value? आणि हे value ह्या टर्म बद्दल आम्ही थोडं आज बोलणार आहोत. द कन्व्हेन्शनल सेल्स प्रोसेस कसा आहे and when you come to MBC, what is the MBC multiplier effect that comes, right? And finally the contact groundwork. For contact, what is the groundwork that you need to do? How do you add value and how do you close the sale? So this is our range of topics for the day. Okay, and I will try to stick to the timeline, make sure we are done by 10:15ish. I hope that's fine.
Yes.
Okay, great. So, first question, when does a customer decide to buy? Okay, first a customer enters into a discussion because उनको थोड़ा interest है product और service में, तो वो discussion तो start करता है. अभी discussion, is he doing discussion only with you?
No.
Maybe talking to other people also at the same time. But at some point in time he says, yes, this is it for me. अब मुझे, you know, in case of him, you say, okay, here's my check. I want to invest in you. Okay. So how do you, what is that point when this discussion actually turns and customer says, हाँ, आता मला वाटतंय कि I have to put money and I have to go for this product or service. Let's understand. But before that, just look at this, right? It's a weighing scale. I am saying that on one side there is something called as price and on the other side there is something called as value. I think this weighing scale हमको समझना जरूरी है. It's very important, right? So who decides the price? of the product or service? Who decides?
Seller.
Seller? Yeah. So it is the seller who decides the price of the product or service. And who decides the value of
Customer.
the product or service?
Customer.
The customer, right? So, does price have a number? Something quantifiable? There is a number, you know, this is my price. Does value have a number? If the customer who is deciding that this is the value, there is no number. It is something which is त्याचा मनात आहे, perception आहे. त्याला काय वाटतं? That is what we are talking about, right? तर here let me give you an example. You've seen ice cream walas like this? Yes. आम्ही संध्याकाळी मुलांना घेऊन पार्कला जातो. There will be somebody with a Walls ice cream or something like that who's displaying right there. Price, let us say, is 30 rupees of this particular cone. The price is 30 rupees that he is buying. And there is this gentleman. Okay. If he looks like me, it's coincidental. Okay. That's not me. So there is this gentleman with two kids. उनको लेके गया है. And who here wants the ice cream? It's the kid. Who is the decision maker? Is the father who's out there, right? So the father is in his mind is thinking, if I have to put 30 rupees, in return, what am I getting? What is the value that I am getting, right? So what is the value that I am getting is what the father is thinking. So quickly, around the room, raise your hand and you can...
Satisfaction to the children.
Okay, satisfaction to children, yes. Happiness, okay. Sorry?
Whether that ice cream will impact my child's health or not.
Health or not, okay, yes.
Kids' happiness.
Kids' happiness, okay. Anything else? Okay. According to me, biggest one is I give it to them, फिर किट नहीं. I have peace of mind, you know. Let them eat their ice cream and be happy. So we are selling it for 30 rupees, but he is making a decision on the basis of so many other things that is going on in his mind, right? So there is this term called ego, which is to each his own. What I am trying to say is the value that a person derives is a personal thing. To each person will look at it differently and say, मला ह्याच्यात हे फायदा आहे. And this is more important for me. The same product, same price, somebody else may find something else that is more important, that is more valuable, right? So that is how this whole. So there's a bunch of things where people look at saying this is valuable. So in our business, we have a wide variety of businesses here. We know delivery schedule is important. Outcome, commitment, घेतलं तर हे तुला फायदा होईल. This is the outcome that you will get. Okay, we do it in the stock business. He talks about outcomes and then puts disclaimer saying, Baba, be careful. End of the day, it's not cast in stone, right? Guarantee, job security, family happiness, desire for profit, fear of loss, appreciation, doing good for others, respect in society, personal values. You see, there are so many different things. People are looking at and saying, this is the value that I'm getting out of your product or service. So very simple concept. I think we all understand this, right? Any questions so far? Very quickly, we are saying that every product has a price, which is a known thing, but the same product or service has a value, which is a little ambiguous, which is in customer's mind, right? So this is both a problem and an opportunity. Problem, why? I don't know what's in his mind. Opportunity, why? Because if I crack it, I can definitely sell better than others. I'll be able to beat the others in the competition. With me so far?
Yes.
Okay, chala. So, मी एक case study घेतो, and there is a perfectly logical reason why I am taking this case study. Diesel generator. Okay. Normally in our mind, suppose there is a company, त्यांना diesel generator purchase करायचा आहे. तर त्या डिसिजन कुठल्या फॅक्टरवर अवलंबून असतो? What are the factors?
Electricity.
Load किती है? Okay.
Electricity up and down. जाते येते जाते येते.
जाते येते. Okay.
टाइम फ्रेम किती असणार तो डीजे वापरण्याचा?
Okay. किती? How long I will use it? How long it can work? Cost किती आहे? Right. So basically, for industrial products like this, do we agree that we believe decisions are based on cost and specification? Correct? So all these things, load किती आहे, किती वेळ I'm going to use, so on and so forth. ही सगळं specifications आहेत आणि decisions normally cost आणि specification वर असतो, right? आता let me ask you a question. Suppose in this same company where we are going to sell a DG, there are two people involved. One is the purchase manager, कारण purchase manager involved असतो ना असल्या decision मध्ये. And दूसरा, let us see, owner of the business, founder of the company. Both of them are looking at the same product. Arun has gone there. Arun is me, not Deshmukh sir. Okay, has gone there to sell this product. Specifications हे printed आहे. That is not going to change. मी purchase manager ला वेगळं देणार, त्यांना वेगळं देणार, तसं नसतो. Price more or less fixed आहे. Then how do the people look at it differently? Let's try and understand. So your purchase manager of the company has reached a conclusion saying, I need to buy a quality product at the right price. That is the conclusion he has reached. Okay, you look at the conclusion that owner of the company has reached. I need to buy a quality product at the right price. Conclusion दोघांचं सेम आहे. पण thought process त्यांचं कसं आहे? Let's try and understand that. How they are thinking of the problem. की आम्हाला डीजी घ्यायचं आहे, कशासाठी घ्यायचं आहे, etc. So the purchase manager is thinking, if I overpay, म्हणजे जास्त पैसे दिले मार्केटपेक्षा, or if the DG develops a fault, I will be blamed. Right? You're understanding? Who's a purchase manager? He's an employee of the company. तो म्हणतो मला blame करतील. The production manager will complain about the quality of purchase. What product have you got? I could get reprimanded and my promotion or increment could get affected. I might even get sacked. And therefore, I need to buy a quality product at the right price. Do you understand thought process?
Yeah.
He is an employee. Tela important guy. My salary should be, stable. My family is there, so I have to make sure every month salary is coming. I get increments, I get promotions. These are all the aspirations of a normal employee of a company, right? Are you with me?
Yes.
And therefore he says, Gadbad Nako, let's buy quality product at right price. See his thought process. Now, the same product, owner of the company, what is his thought process? To kaisa vichar karto? Let's see. The DG could develop a fault. This would affect production and cause productivity loss. This will cause delay in customer delivery and affect my brand image in his eyes. The loss in production would also affect my profitability, and therefore I need to buy a quality product at the right price. Did you see the difference in thought process? Conclusion दोघांचं same आहे. But the way they reach the conclusion, like Google Map, I put destination, both have reached the same destination, but they have taken a different road to arrive at the same destination. With me, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, so what I am trying to say here, and let's go to the next slide. Do you know what is valuable to your customer? That is my question. So whenever you are looking at selling any product, are you putting yourself in the shoes of the person in front of you and say, ह्याच्यासाठी valuable काय आहे? And therefore, do I know what it is? So, I always say, so before I come to this slide, buying a product or buying any purchase decision has two elements to it, logical and emotional. We all understand logical. The price is right, specification has to be good, quality has to be good, so on and so forth. Emotional is where we hardly touch upon while doing sales. Okay, one industry, for example, where emotions is used very effectively while selling, because that's the training also given to the people, is what? Insurance. Insurance, right? So what are the emotions generally that they will use? Some fear. So fear it can be, or desire. Fear or desire.
Safety
It's
of the
one
family.
of these things, huh?
Safety of the family.
Safety of the family. So that's the fear that you have. मी गेल्यानंतर यांचं काय होणार? Or it could even be मी असलो तरी माझ्या मुलीचं education, should happen in the top medical college. That's the desire part of it. So either ways, that's what is being used. So question again, do you know what is valuable to your customer? So I've just picked up this very basic model. Whoever has done MBA has probably seen this in college, called IDA model. This is the decision-making process of a customer whenever he is buying a product. So IDA stands for awareness, interest, decision and action. Awareness, oh okay, I didn't even know that such a thing existed, now I know. Interest, wow, this is interesting, let me look at it. Decision, should I buy, should I not buy? And then you take the action. Okay, so that's the simple process which is there in a lot of business schools, they teach this. So what is this awareness? Let's take a look at that. This is the first step where a customer comes to know that you are aware of the product. So I am comparing outside, suppose you are not a member of MBC, okay, and you want to make people aware about your product or service. What are the channels open to you? It is there behind
Yes,
the
yes.
screen, but we can have anything. Yeah. Social media, digital marketing, flyers, catalog.
याच्यात
blogs.
नसलेलं रेफरन्स टू युअर कस्टमर थ्रू युअर कस्टमर्स.
Referrals through customers, correct? That's also there. Word of mouth. Which is
वर्ड ऑफ माउथ.
newspaper, website, so on so there are so many ways. When you come to MBC, what is the way by which a customer becomes aware about you? When he gets a contact. Okay, when he gets a contact. I said replace referral with contact. So when he gets a contact is when you know that this has happened, right? Are we aware? In sync with this, MBC
yes.
has a contacts or referral wala model. So whenever I get a referral, I'm kind of going to, awareness ho gaya. We have understood how the difference is between outside world and what happens in MBC. Now let us see. So what is a contact? A contact is a personal recommendation. Please go to him, I am telling you. So the person referring you is actually putting some of his own credibility at stake. Is that right?
येस.
When you are connecting, you are saying की ह्यांच्याकडनं घ्या, मी सांगतो तुम्हाला. Suppose it is not up to the mark, मग काय होणार?
माझं रेप्युटेशन स्टेकला लागलं.
तुम्हाला सेम विचारणार आहे, कोणाला रेफर केलं तू? कोणाचा कॉन्टॅक्ट दिला? Okay, so there is a personal stake. So it's a personal recommendation is what a referral is. Without the weight of your recommendation, the contact becomes there is a very famous word for this, lead.
येस.
It becomes a lead. If you have not put a recommendation, you just given a number saying, जा यांच्याशी बोला, माझं नाव घे. माझं नाव सांग यांना, काम होईन जाईल तुझं. Then you have just made it into a lead. Because तुम्हाला काय वाटतं, तुम्ही त्यांना फोन केला किंवा मीटिंग केलं त्यांच्याशी, he is going to, आणि त्यांचं नाव घेतलं, he is still going to treat you as a cold customer or a cold caller. Okay, so that is the way. So you just converting it into a lead if you are not putting the recommendation. Right? So here's a quick graph, right? You spoke about 3 levels: hot, warm, and cold contact.
Yes.
Okay. I have put it as 5 levels because here I am not talking about hot, warm, and cold in that sense. I am talking about effort. So suppose I want to give a contact to, let us say, Arun Deshmukh sir. I want to give a contact to him. Okay. वन वे टू डू इट इज, मी कोणाला भेटलं आणि मला अरुण देशमुख सरांना कनेक्ट करायचं त्यांच्याशी. सो आय गिव्ह दॅट पर्सन देशमुख सर's कार्ड अँड से हिअर इज हिज नंबर, यू प्लीज स्पीक टू हिम. Okay, you please speak to him. Here is a number. I know he can do notary for you. Here is his card. This is what we call as a level 1 or minimum effort. फक्त कार्ड दिलं, बाकी काय नाही केलं त्याचं, is a level 1. And if that person calls, otherwise doesn't call, it's not too much of a referral. इसको contact या referral मानना भी गलत है, according to me. Why? Because I should have put a little more effort. So what is the little more effort that I can put? Next level, not only I give the card, I also show some brochure or website and say, हे बघा, हे त्यांचं काम आहे. त्यांच्याकडे 12 ते 18 लोक आहेत. They sit in central city place. Okay, so I'm giving some details of that. So is this better than just giving the card? Yes. Now if I put a little more effort and say, that's what we call a level 3 वहाँ पे, we say हे त्यांचं details आहे, and then I put my recommendation. You please go to him. I have used this service and he is so good that you will not regret it. So level 3, details plus recommendation on the back of it. Is this even better?
Even better.
Yes? With me? Okay. Now I have given, what more can be done? Now I say, having given the recommendation, I say, कधी मीटिंग सेटअप करू? आज दुपारी 4 वाजता चालेल तुम्हाला? ठीक आहे. फोन केला लगेच तिकडून अरुण सरांना आणि मीटिंग सेटअप केलं. अरुण सर सुद्धा म्हणाले हो 4 वाजता, अँड आय सेट अप द मीटिंग.
Yes.
Is this even better? Which we call as level 4, right? More effort that I put. ह्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त काय करणार? There is a level 5 also there. What is that?
पर्सनली घेऊन जाणं.
You accompany your client.
Yes.
Superb. So can we give him a hand, please? I think.
Yes.
So not only are you setting the appointment, you are going and saying, "Chalo, मैं भी आता हूँ." That is level 5. Okay. Now you see the graph; it is going down. What is that graph going down? As your level of your contact increases, the amount of effort that the person giving the contact increases. What is going down? The effort required to close the sale is going down. It's easier. एवढा effort नको आता sale close करायला. Do you get the correlation?
Yes.
Yeah. And ultimately, why are we here? Not to give referrals wholesale. End of the day, paise, right? We want sale happening, and that is what we are here for. So we've understood this concept that look at referrals from this perspective also, because likelihood of closing, warm eye, hot eye, cold eye, etc., that can change. That can change. You may decide suddenly, नहीं आता 6 महिन्यानंतर बघू. So that will change. सेल क्लोज होण्यासाठी दुसरे खूप फॅक्टर्स असतात. प्राइस असेल, अरे माझा ओळखीचा कोण भेटला आणि त्याचा मुला मी सुद्धा हेच काम सुरू केलं त्याला देतो. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स कम टू प्ले. क्लोजर नो गॅरंटी, बट ॲज अ मेंबर ऑफ MBC यू कैन मेक श्योर यू आर पुटिंग मैक्सिमम एफर्ट इनटू दैट कॉन्टैक्ट, सो दैट जिसको कॉन्टैक्ट दिया है उसको सेल मिलने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाट दिस ग्राफ सेज कि एफर्ट, कॉन्टॅक्ट देणाऱ्याची एफर्ट कमी आहे तर क्लोज करण्यासाठी जास्त एफर्ट लागेल. अँड ॲज द एफर्ट इज पुट मोर बाय द पर्सन गिव्हिंग द कॉन्टॅक्ट, क्लोजर साठी कमी एफर्ट लागेल. अंडरस्टूड दिस ग्राफ?
Yes.
So next we move to interest, right? So the customer is now aware about what he has got a powerful referral from MBC. And now he is interested, saying, okay, let's meet the person, let's get to know this person more. So in this step, the prospect sees you as someone he can relate with and can trust enough to do business. So outside MBC, how do you try to generate interest? Number 1, लीड आलाय तुमच्याकडे कुठून तरी वेबसाईट होऊन so on and so forth. You don't know what that underlying need is. All you have is a phone number and a contact and a name, whatever, designation. Building a deep relationship is difficult because all you have is a number. तुम्ही cold call करणार, relationship बनायसाठी खूप वेळ लागणार आहे. That's not going to happen. You can only talk about the product and it will always come down to price. तुम्ही फक्त तुमचा product किंवा service बद्दल बोललात तर it will always come down to price. He's going to compare any digital marketing person in the room. Anyone?
But
Anyone who's into website development or something like that?
I'm using it. I'm using it.
So, no, I'm asking from a developer side. You tell me to develop a website. So, come on, sir. What is this? To develop a website, same website, what is the price range?
Same website.
For one website, what is the price range generally in the market? What
15
is the cheapest website? What is the costliest?
15 ते 25.
15 पासून 5 लाखाचा सुद्धा
Yes, yes.
वेबसाईट असतो. So there are a bunch of factors that come into play, right? If you just present yourself as a website developer, you will stand in the queue of 1000 other people and then it, अरे त्यांनी 12,000 मध्ये दिलंय, तुम्ही 15 कशाला बोलताय? ठीक आहे 11 यांनी मग 10 ला दिलंय. So all this starts happening. So it comes down to price. And the question I have for you, and I want you guys to think here, are you treating an NBC referral the same way as a lead outside NBC?
No.
Lead तुम्हाला भेटलाय. This is one scenario, so you will act upon it. NBCचं रेफरल आलं तुम्हाला, कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर आणि नाव कोणी दिलं. Are you treating it the same way and straight away calling the person and saying, hello, I'm so and so, Arun Rao, this is what I do, can we connect? If you are doing that, what have you just done? If you have done nothing different, you have just called the person like, NBC referral also, you are calling as if it's a lead from a website or digital campaign. What have you actually done? You have converted a referral
into
or a
lead.
contact into a lead. Okay, that is what you ended up doing. So that is what you've done. You've converted it into a lead. So here is my submission. Okay. Suppose तुम्हाला कोणी कॉन्टॅक्ट दिलं फेलो मेंबर की यांना जाऊन भेटा, हे यांचा तुझा नंबर यांना दिलेला आहे, जाऊन भेटा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, नाउ गो एंड क्लोज द सेल. आई एम सेइंग एकदम घोड़े की तरह सीधा छूट जाओ, ऐसा नहीं. रेफरल कॉन्टैक्ट मिला, चलो भागो. Don't do that. Ask something to the person giving the referral. And these are some suggested questions. I will circulate this, Priya. You can circulate this in the group, so if people want. So it could be त्यांचा नाव, WhatsApp number, email ID काय आहे. What is the problem that he is actually facing? Okay. Stated. Is there any unstated problem? Are you aware की ते बोलत नाहीत पण because you know him so well काहीतरी आहे का त्यांच्या मनात? Okay. What have you told me, him? What have you told that contact about me? Guys, this is very important. I don't know if you spend time here, but when you're passing a referral, see, all of us here are part of a referral group. Okay, we are a community, we are a group. And our job is not merely to sell in this room, right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah. What we want is not the 30-40 people sitting here. What we want is the 500 contacts in
sphere.
each person's phone book.
Yes, yes.
That is what we are here for.
Contact sphere.
Is the contact that you want to target, right? If this is your sales force, don't you think it is your job to educate them ki how you will introduce me?
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay, so give it in those words. Always say it. So today Priya read out my introduction. Okay, माझ्याबद्दल काय बोलायचं आहे कोण डिसाइड केलं? Priya has just read it. I have written it and given so that Priya says the right things about me and there is a right impact, and people should feel, हाँ चलो अरुण कोई तो है, सुनने दो भाई इनको. That is the objective of an introduction. Similarly, it's your job to tell your fellow members, असं कोणी भेटलं तर माझ्याबद्दल तुम्ही हे सांगा त्यांना. Give them a script. Okay, so that is important. Yeah.
सर हम लोग बोलते कि ये लोग के लिए हम लोग सेल्स नहीं करना चाहिए कि एक ये हमारे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, बराबर. ठीक है, अगर यही इनके साथ ही अगर ट्रस्ट बिल्ड नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं तो यही इंप्रेस नहीं हो रहा है, तो आगे कैसे जाएंगे?
Absolutely. So trust is important. No? Trust is absolutely critical. So when any new member joins a chapter, कोणी नवीन मेंबरनी चॅप्टर जॉईन केला, you will see that in the beginning maximum referrals that the person is getting is self referral, की मला तुझं प्रोडक्ट कंझ्युम करायचं. Why is that happening? Exactly for same thing. People want to be sure before actually staking my name and reputation and giving that referral to somebody else. So people do that. Trust is very, very important, and once trust reaches a certain level, then people say, I know this person will do a fabulous job, they do referral. Then the referrals start pouring in. So yeah, what has the prospect being told about me? माझ्याबद्दल त्यांना काय सांगितलंय? Have you said the right thing? Okay. And are there any likes, dislikes or experiences while interacting with the prospect in the past? काय likes, dislikes काहीतरी यांनी सांगितलंय का? Why am I doing this? Some basic research. Prospect referral दिलं. Let's say Arun Rao gave a referral, and you are now asking Arun Rao all these questions. Why?
To analyze the customer's perspective.
So you are making Arun put a little more effort, so that in that graph you saw ना, जितना ज़्यादा effort अरुण डालेगा, उतना कम effort जिसको contact मिला है उसको लगेगा to close the sale. So that is the reason why you are asking all these questions, right? So what are the problem referral or contact scenarios generally in a networking? I have spoken to him. I have not spoken to him about you. You asked for a CA, so I have given a CA ka contact. Okay. So this is a level 1, right?
Yes.
Not effective at all. This is a problem scenario. Next. मी हजारो व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप मध्ये आहे. एखादा व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप मध्ये हे मी बघितलं आणि हे तुला देऊन टाकलं लगेच. अगेन यू आर पासिंग द रेफरल बट यू डोंट नो मच अबाउट इट युअर सेल्फ. इट्स अ प्रॉब्लेम रेफरल. हिज रिक्वायरमेंट इज समथिंग एल्स. त्याला ड्रोन फोटोग्राफी हवं होतं आणि हे स्टील मॅरेज फोटोग्राफरचं रेफरल दिलं. मॅरेज फोटोग्राफर म्हणतोय, वाय हॅव यू गिवन मी दिस रेफरल? He wants drone photography. So this kind of thing is a problem referral, right? All I have told him is that you are someone I know. मी फक्त तुझ्याबद्दल मी यांना ओळखतो म्हणून रेफरल दिलं. These are all problem scenarios which are there. These are not good enough. In a community like NBC है ना, ये type of referrals नहीं होना चाहिए. These are not good enough. So if you get one of these referrals, okay, what should you do?
Reboot.
If you get one of these referral, I'm saying reboot the referral or the contact, as we say. Ask the person passing the contact to call up the prospect, clarify the problem, share your success story and recommend you. हक बनता है ना, as a member of the community मेरा हक बनता है ना, रेफरल देने वाले को मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि नहीं कि खाली मेरा नाम मत दो, एक बार कॉल करके उसको मेरे बारे में बता दो और अपॉइंटमेंट सेटअप कर दो, देन आई विल स्पीक टू हिम. हक बनता है कि नहीं?
Yes, 100%.
We have to use that authority. Don't just take a referral. Let's make our referrals more meaningful. This happens when we do that, right? Set up an appointment. Ask him to set up an appointment, because otherwise, I'm sorry, the color is, you probably not read it. What's written down here is, otherwise it's not even a contact, it is merely a lead. That is what I'm saying. Guys, with me till
Yes.
so far?
Yes.
Okay, quick check. Any one topic you like till so, what is it you found interesting so far? Any one topic? You can just raise your hand. Interesting. Yes.
Give more effort for setting a context to of element.
So the effort वाला ग्राफ जो था कि जितना ज्यादा देने वाला एफर्ट करेगा मिलने वाले को कम एफर्ट करना पड़ेगा. गुड, थैंक यू. Same thing.
And reboot
Yes.
the referral, the last one.
Reboot the referral. Just referral दिया है, don't let it go. Okay, just tell them कि मेरे बारे में थोड़ा ये बताओ and थोड़ा appointment set up करो etc. Okay. Anything else? Yes sir.
Personal recommendation is more important.
Personal recommendation is important.
What is give the client value?
Value, the concept of price versus value. Absolutely. Yeah.
आप उसके साथ जाओगे तो क्लोज ही होगा 100%.
Again, it's the effort. Go to level 5. Go with him. You'll obviously be able to close. Good. Thanks. Quickly moving on. So sometimes है ना अगर trainer check करना पड़ता है लोग जाग रहे हैं कि नहीं. Right. Now we move to the next. Interest हो गया. Now we are looking at a decision. And again, when it comes to decision, we have seen this slide. The decision happens when the value is slightly heavier than the price. Okay, and there are two ways of tilting the weighing scale this way. There are two techniques. One is
I have used it. You use
They are
it.
the includes,
no, price versus value. Suppose a weighing scale है, you want one side to be heavier. What can you do?
I share the experience.
Reduce price.
Yes.
तो ये side कम होगा और increase
The value.
It's one of these two ways. Your option is to reduce price or increase value. Okay. And what do? A lot of price कम कर देते हैं. That is a very easy thing to do, but not the right thing to do. Okay, we have to really focus on. And we also looked earlier at what value is. We looked at this example and said there are a bunch of things that are valuable to people, different things. So we looked at this earlier. Now I go back to the sample study, that case study that I gave, buying a DG. The same two people, remember? Purchase manager and owner of the company. Earlier what did we see? The conclusion दोनों का same है. I want a good quality product at the right price. But the way they arrived, the road that they took to reach the destination is different. One person is more concerned about his job security, growth, salary. The other person is more concerned about
Customer.
profits, productivity, customer, company, reputation, so on and so forth. But conclusion दोनों का same है. Now, let's say in this same company now, I am pitching my diesel generator. पहला मेरा meeting होता है purchase manager के साथ. Okay. तो now that I know कि purchase manager means इसको नौकरी की, he will be needing salary growth, etc. Can I use that fear that the person has? दो ही इमोशन मैंने बोला था, simple, fear and desire. Can I use this fear and desire that he has to increase my chances of selling? Let's look at that. Okay, so if I am now meeting the product purchase manager, what can I tell him during the meeting? I can say something like this. In the last 10 years, I have been working in this field. I have heard some horror stories about products failing and service not being provided by even some reputed vendors. My USP is that I provide service within 2 hours, even in the middle of the night. In fact, my last client, the purchase manager of XYZ company, said that he got a lot of appreciation and accolades from his boss for finalizing with us. What am I doing? I'm very consciously using his fear and desire. Fear क्या है? My नौकरी should not be in threat. Desire, promotion, appreciation, boss का, increment. So I'm putting those words into my pitch actually, because logical तो है ही ना, वो spec sheet दिया हुआ है, price दिया हुआ है, all that is logical. Unless I play to the emotion, everybody in this world, we think that he is, purchase manager of a company, but he is also a human being. And you have to connect to that human being. Besides, he's not just a designation, he's a human being, which means he has all these desires. So we have to stop treating people according to their designations only and look at the human side. When you touch the human side is when you really increase trust, faith that they have in you, and that's where you actually get to sell better, convert better. Right? Now let's look at what you can tell the owner of the company. What can you tell him? Any volunteers? Yes, sir.
By buying a product, your loss of productivity will be very bare minimum. Operational cost will be bare minimum, and also your profitability will get increased.
Brilliant. Super. So you got the idea. Let's have a round of applause for him. Good job. So he's getting all the applause. Right. So something similar, right? In the last 10 years I have been working in this field. None of my clients have had a downtime more than 2 hours. We respond even in the middle of the night so our clients don't have to lose production. We realize that in today's business world, our client can't afford to lose money, brand image and their clients' trust. We are our client's partner in success. So you are exactly playing to what the emotional need of this business owner is.
Yes.
Okay. So the same product, same spec sheet, same price, but I am sitting in front of the person. I am changing my pitch according to the emotional need of the person, which is exactly why I say MBC referral contact आपको मिला. Please get to know a little more of the person so that you can make this kind of a sales pitch. Okay, that's the reason why that KYC is there. With me, guys?
Yes.
समझ आ रहा है? So what are the top tips that I have? Research the customer always. थोड़ा सा LinkedIn check कर लो, ये check कर लो. Get to know that person always. Referral जो आया है. Always address the emotional need. Don't try to sell. Add so much value that the customer should want to buy. Okay. I always say this. Don't try to sell. Make the customer want to buy. You've been to a mall, all of you.
Yes.
There are so many shops. Sometimes वो मॉल के कॉरिडोर में एक बंदा SBI कार्ड वाला आके बोलता है सर कार्ड. How do you feel at that time?
Irritated.
Irritated. You come there for something else. This is what we call as interruption marketing. Okay, I was trying to do that. Somebody interrupted me and did. So people hate interruption marketing. People love what we call as permission marketing. Okay? People hate interruption marketing. So if someone tries to sell, you hate it. But you're in a mall. So you're definitely there to buy. And people love to buy. But they hate being sold to. Love to buy, but they hate being sold to. This is a very important thing. So don't try to sell. Add so much value where the person wants to buy. And how do you add value? In case of MBC, you know the person because referral आपने फिर KYC किया, सब किया, so you know, so you can definitely add a lot of value. Okay, here's one very important tip. Never reveal your price till you know that the iron is hot. What do I mean by iron is hot?
Customer is desperately wants this product.
इतना value आपने डाला उसके मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. Yes, now tell me. And that is when you should actually reveal the price. You should say price तो बताओ. Does this always work? Sometimes customer will say पहले अरे before we go ahead, okay, can you please tell me the price? It happens?
Yes.
Okay. How do you deal with that? अरे मिलो तो सही, okay? समझो तो सही.
You pitch a price.
Huh?
For such person, you pitch the price and then show the value.
You pitch the price.
Service is matching your requirement.
Good. Again. Good one. So, okay. So, don't say it, पहले सुनो तो सही. Okay. Though it is a right thing, but it sounds as if आप कुछ थोड़ा भीख मांग रहे हो. Please यार, थोड़ा सुनो तो सही. Don't lower your, reputation or don't lower your image. So a good way to do that is say, sir, at this point in time, I don't even know if what I have to offer is right for you or whether we'll do business together. So there is no point discussing the price right now. So you're letting him know right up front कि ये time सही नहीं है. I don't even know कि मैं आपके साथ business करूँगा क्या. When you are saying that, you're not lowering your stake. तो सामने वाला भी थोड़ा डिफेंसिव हो जाता है, अरे ये क्या गूगली था. ओके, right, and then we go to the action stage, and now all that is left to do is to close the sale. Okay, so I'll just touch upon this. You guys are champions. I don't have to go on this, but still I'll touch upon this. There are a bunch of books that talk about closing the sale. These are some of the more popular ones. I have, sorry. So this one I've read several times, quite brilliant, Zig Ziglar. Brian Tracy, I have seen his videos on sales closing. He's a brilliant guy again. And this is another one, Sales Closing for Dummies by Tom Hopkins. So some good books that you could kind of read. But I will give you very simple, 3 simple closes which are there. In Zig Ziglar's book, there are 100 different closes that he is using. But here we look at 3. What we call as the direct close. Now that we've had the discussion, sir, you know, can I get the purchase order? Sir, nakki na tumi geta hai na. This becomes a kind of direct close which is there. So are you confirming the order? Most commonly used sales close, and it is the least effective. Direct close is not really that effective. So there are 2 other kinds of closes which I will just touch upon. The first one is called as alternate close. So alternate close, so you're giving the customers options. Saying, sir, hey correct, let's do this. Do you want this or do you want this? Do you want it on Tuesday? Do you want it on Wednesday? Both the options are in whose favor?
Your favor.
It's in your favor, because you are the one giving the option. That's an alternate clause. So here, desert story, right? So that I put there. This happened in the US at a restaurant. They were doing a social experiment. तो उन्होंने दो वेटर को 2 स्क्रिप्ट दिया अलग अलग, बोला कि आप ये जाके बोलिए. So after the main course is over, one waiter came up to the the customers who were there and said, sir, would you like to have dessert? Okay, or ma'am, would you like to have dessert? That's the question. So the closure was in the 20s. 20% would people said, yeah, okay, we'll go for dessert. Okay. The next guy had a different script. Though it is American, I'll use some Indian sweets as example. So he said, sir, would you like to have some hot gulab jamuns or rabdi kulfi, freshly prepared rabdi kulfi for dessert? अभी क्या हो रहा है? आपके दिमाग में कुछ पिक्चर आया? हाँ, मुंह में थोड़ा पानी आया? Yeah, this is what happens when you are giving an alternate clause, both of which are desirable. And here, the conversion went from the 20s to the 70s in terms of conversion. That's the power of using alternate clause. Software company. So, I'm sure a lot of you would have gone to Zoom website या फिर one of the other CRM या कोई साइट में देखा रहेगा. उसमें प्राइस बोल के एक सेक्शन है, याद है? वो प्राइस सेक्शन में आप क्लिक करोगे तो क्या दिखता है आपको? What is it that you see? You see multiple options, free versions with this. Okay, $10 a month, pro version, this. Okay, enterprise version, $50 a month, this, etc. And somewhere it will be given a recommended product बोल के रेड में ब्रैकेट में. You've seen this?
Even mobile companies.
So what are they trying to do? Again, it's a play of psychology, guys. You have to understand कि कैसे वो play कर रहे हैं आपको. They have shown a free or a low value product जिसमें features कम है, and you feel यार इससे मेरा काम नहीं बनेगा. Then they show a very high value product जिसमें features हैं, plus there are a lot of unnecessary features also that you may feel यार ये waste है. And then they provide a price in between, which has more or less what most people need. What happens? In your psychology, you said, इससे फायदा नहीं है. अरे, this is too expensive. And then you buy the recommended product, and what are you thinking? मेरे को जो चाहिए $10 में मिल गया. I didn't have to spend $40. That is what people are thinking in their mind. $10 में मिल गया. $10 per month I got what I wanted. I didn't have to spend $40. If that option was not there, the most price, the costly one, then what this guy does, if he had only free and $10 as option, वो जाके दूसरा वेबसाइट में भी चेक करेगा कि उधर क्या प्राइस है. हियर यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू दिस साइकोलॉजी हियर इटसेल्फ सो दैट यू आर लीडिंग द पर्सन टू द वन दैट यू वांट. इज दिस अ modern example of alternate close?
Yes.
It's a good example, right? And the last one, guys, is what we call a resumptive close. Assume a yes and talk about the next step. Assume कि उसने हाँ बोल दी है और सीधा आगे की बात करो. So let me give you an example. Fashion Street story. So I was much younger, doing my MBA in Bajaj. As you know, Bajaj is Nariman Point के पास है. Fashion Street is close by. VT से नारिमन पॉइंट जाते टाइम. सो कभी तो खैर स्टूडेंट थे, पैसे की तंगी थी, सो विल गो लुक एट अ टी शर्ट, ये ले हूँ. सो आई वाज जगलिंग बिटवीन 1 or 2 टी शर्ट. व्हाट डू पीपल डू इन स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग? फैशन स्ट्रीट में एक एंड से दूसरे एंड तक सारे दुकान देखने ही है, राइट? You take so long to make up your mind because you're going to all the shops. So I was looking at this particular t-shirt, looking at another one. You know what that shopkeeper did? Assumptive close. Immediately बोलता है मेरे को, सर ये दोनों बांध दूं? ये दोनों बांध दूं क्या फटाफट? So he's forcing me to make a decision right then and there. अभी मेरे पास दो के दो पैसे नहीं है, स्टूडेंट हूं मैं, ओके? तो मैंने क्या बोला? नहीं ये वाला ले रहा हूं. So he helped me close immediately. Otherwise, potentially, शायद मैं next दुकान, उसका next दुकान, I would have gone everywhere to check. So that's the power of the assumptive close, which is there, right? So this is my personal favorite story that I wanted to share with you, right? So these are the 3 closes. So guys, I just want you. There is a piece of paper in front of you. If you can, now that you are in MBC, okay, you're part of this community, the way to do business is through passing contacts to each other, okay, you know, and यहाँ पे हम अभी इसको convert करके sale के तरफ भी we will work more aggressively, right? What I want you to do is, on that piece of paper, can you write down 3 things you will do differently from today? Some small action कि आज से मैं ये करूँगा. When it comes to MBC referral, either giving, receiving, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, and just share it with the person next to you. If you can just write down, say 3 things and share it with the person next to you. This is what I'll do differently. So this is your personal commitment to yourself, okay? If you've written it down, just share it with the person next to you and then close.
Done.
Okay, have you done that, guys? Just share it. कि क्या करोगे? So you have an accountability partner also in the room. Just tell them what you are going to do differently. And with that, guys, thank you.